Imagine a world where one man unites warring tribes and builds the largest contiguous empire in history. This is the story of Genghis Khan. Born as Temujin in the Khenti Mountains around 1162, his early life was marked by hardship and struggle. At the age of 8, Temujin's father was poisoned, leaving his family abandoned and destitute. To secure his position, Temujin killed his older half-brother, showcasing his ruthless determination from a young age. His charismatic personality attracted followers and formed alliances with steppe leaders Jamukha and Togrul. Together, they rescued Temujin's wife Borte from kidnappers, solidifying his reputation as a formidable leader. However, his relationship with Jamukha soured, leading to open warfare and Temujin's defeat around 1187. Temujin spent years as a subject of the Jin dynasty, re-emerging in 1196 to swiftly gain power. In 1203, Togrul viewed Temujin as a threat and attacked him, but Temujin regrouped and overpowered Togrul. By 1206, Temujin had defeated the Naiman tribe and executed Jamukha, becoming the sole ruler of the Mongolian steppe. He adopted the title, Genghis Khan, and transformed the Mongol tribal structure into an integrated meritocracy. Genghis Khan's reforms ensured long-term stability and loyalty to the ruling family, consolidating his power. In 1209, he led a large-scale raid into Western Xia, who agreed to Mongol terms the following year. He then launched a campaign against the Jin dynasty, capturing their capital Zhongdu in 1215. Genghis Khan's general Jebe annexed the Central Asian state of Karakhitai in 1218. Provoked by the execution of his envoys, Genghis invaded the Khwarezmian Empire, toppling it and devastating the region. In 1227, Genghis Khan died while subduing the rebellious Western Xia, leaving a legacy of both terror and transformation. Genghis Khan was known for his generosity and loyalty to followers, but ruthless towards enemies. He believed the shamanic supreme deity Tengri had destined him for world domination. Under his rule, the Mongol army killed millions, yet facilitated unprecedented commercial and cultural exchange. In Russia and the Arab world, he is remembered as a savage tyrant, while Western scholarship reassesses him as a complex figure. Posthumously deified in Mongolia, Genghis Khan is recognized as the founding father of the nation. His birth name, Temujin, and title, Genghis Khan, have uncertain meanings, reflecting his enigmatic legacy. Genghis Khan's life is documented in various sources, including the secret history of the Mongols and Persian chronicles. These sources provide a mix of positive and negative attitudes towards him, highlighting his multifaceted character. Genghis Khan's early life was marked by legends, including his birth with a blood clot in his hand, symbolizing his warrior destiny. His rise to power involved strategic alliances, ruthless actions, and a vision for uniting the Mongol tribes. Genghis Khan's military campaigns were characterized by psychological warfare, intelligence gathering, and brutal discipline. He valued loyalty above all, rewarding those who stood by him and ensuring their families were cared for. Genghis Khan's conquests reshaped the world, creating a vast empire that connected East and West. Despite his brutal methods, his legacy includes the promotion of trade, cultural exchange, and legal reforms. Genghis Khan's story is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and the impact one individual can have on history. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the past.